So, with parental guidance, we have to cut a hole for the head of whoever, whatever you're going to put in the box. So this is what we're doing right here. Perfect. Hole in the box. Now, once you get that done, it's time to have fun. And now for the part that gives it the glam, the pizzazz, the speed. We need glitter. And what does every race car need? They need decoration. They need pizzazz. They need something on there to be their sponsor, and what's the most important? A number that makes them fast. And what number makes cars fast? 18. All right, kids. Now it's time to reveal what we've got done. The whole, the beautiful red pearl coat on our race box. We have our spoiler. We have our wheels. And most of all, we have our Rover Fast 18. Now, I would like to see what you got, or you can leave a comment below, because we'd love to read your comments.
And push like.
And
subscribe.
press like, and be sure to subscribe. We need 10 more to have 10. And don't put your wheels on the front of the race car like I did. But I think Rover will still be able to go fast when we can find him and catch him. Rover! Come out wherever you are. We're gonna go find him.
Rover, where are you? Rover.
Rover. Maybe we can find a squirrel. So, we can't find Rover. We think he's hiding. We're gonna be quiet. But we're not to be deterred. Guess what? Lucy! Come on, Lucy. It's time to race. Not you two go, sorry. Maybe next time.
She's happy racer.
She's happy racer. Come on, speed racer.
Lucy, you're gonna be a race car driver. You're gonna be Kyle Busch. I can feel it. She's gonna be fast.
Now put your head through the hole. Come on.
Come on, Lucy. Don't be afraid. It's gonna be fast. Whoops! Somebody wants to be a racer.
We're gonna put the box. Lucy in the box. Lucy in the box. Box. Got it. Put your head out. Where's your head? Where's your head? Put your head in the box. Get out of the hole. Get out of the hole. Get out. And so, it works like that. Good girl. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. In the box.
This is so easy, folks.
She's happy. And she's in the she's almost in the box. And the car, and she's in here. We'll pretend. Ready? And this is Lucy's head in the box. Woof, woof, woof. And we'll run. Seems to be having a little bit of technical difficulty. Success we had with Lucy. So we had even a better idea. There's old Fleabag Tuco. Come on, Fleabag. We're gonna go for a run in the box. Come on, Tuco. In the box. Come on. Attaboy. Attaboy. In the box. Attaboy. Here we go. On the box. Here we go. Come on. Here. On the box. On the box. Put your head in the box. Everybody loves the box. Everybody loves the race car box idea.
Hey, Tuco.
Everybody loves the race car box. Come on, yeah, boy. And so you saw the success we're having there. The race car box is a big, big hit with the animals. Hey, until next time, fast racing from Mimi and Gooba's channel.